What's up, YouTube? This is Chandler with Classic Care Services, and I've been asked to do a video on what you need to start a carpet cleaning business. Now, this is not including marketing, networking, or anything about getting leads and getting jobs and establishing customers. This is basically I'm gonna show you what's in my shop that you can use to start a carpet cleaning business. Not to start, but to function as a carpet cleaning business. Let me scratch that. Not start, but to function, meaning the equipment and the cleaning agents that you can use. Okay, let me show you that right quick. Okay, guys, I'm going to walk around to one I think of the most essential pieces of equipment that you can use, and that is a floor machine. Some people call them side by side buffer, floor machine, 175. That's the RPMs that it turns. Those are the different names. But if you're going to be a professional cleaner, you've got to have one of these. You see, I have two of them. This one is this chrome one here is one I've had since I started. Still works today. It's amazing. But I have this one here has a plastic casing, and that's a 175, of course, and that one's a 19-inch. So it can run a 19-inch, and it also can run a 17-inch head on it. So this is essential as a cleaner because with this machine, you can do everything. You can clean carpets, you can scrub carpets, you can clean hard surfaces such as wood, tile, any type of LVT, laminate, any type of hard surface you can clean it just by changing the head on it. This is the dry pad that goes with it. And as far as carpet, you can, even though 1940s technology, shampoo the carpet with a shampoo brush. I laugh about that because people still say shampoo, but we don't even do that anymore. This is a brush, a carpet brush you can use to agitate the carpet. Or you can literally, kind of old school, you can brush and bonnet. You'll put a bonnet on there, but we're not going to get into all that. But this is a 175. That's what you would need. So you can low moisture clean with it for carpets. So it's a very versatile machine. And I don't know how anybody's a professional cleaner and does not have one. All right, the next thing you'll need is an extractor. This is a Ultra Pro 1000 CFR extractor, and the 1000 for it gets up to 1000 psi. Now you don't need all that. I would think you want at least a 200 psi. You know, I would suggest 500 if you can. If you can't afford it, at least get 200 psi extractor. And the other one that I have in the shop here is a Ninja portable. And this portable is this does not have heat. Okay, so it is a 200 psi portable, and this is what I use in the shop full time to mostly do upholstery cleaning, but do whatever cleans I need. But this is a great portable, very dependable. They can go up to 500 psi, maybe higher. They come with heat, so there's a lot of accessories, different PSIs and heats and different accessories you can get with them with this portable. Okay, so you need an extractor. That's an example of an extractor. Now, once you have a bonnet, once you have a 175 and an extractor, the other thing you will need, which will come with the extractor, is a good carpet wand. I'm not going to show you all the fancy wands I have, but this is a titanium PMF Mach 12 wand. It's light and it does a wonderful job. Got good airflow, keeps the airflow well with your carpet. That's 4-jet, but with the portable you can get a 2-jet wand, which I strongly suggest. This is what they call a this is made to clean edges, but you don't need that right now. So this is a AW29. It's not stainless steel. I mean, it is stainless steel. It's not very light, but it is a very, very basic wand. You can use this with a portable. Some people put glides on, but with a portable, you may not need that because you're not moving that much airflow with a portable, because with a portable, you're using a lift. But this is AW29, so it's not titanium, it's stainless steel. So a basic wand. The other thing that you would need, not saying that you need this vacuum cleaner. This is a commercial vacuum cleaner, Royal Vac, that I use in the shop. But you need a vacuum cleaner because you need to vacuum the rugs. And then if you start off, well, you know, this is Godzilla, it's my truck mount. But you don't have to start off with that, but you can start off with a truck mount. That would count as an extractor. Okay. The other thing you'll need is a groomer to groom the carpets. It's one of the groomers I use in my shop. Let's see here, equipment wise. And if you're going to clean upholstery, you would need an upholstery tool, such as this Rotovac Shear Dry. I also have a Sapphire that's on the truck, but this is a great. But this is called a dry tool because it doesn't penetrate the fabric. It just moves the solution over the top of the fabric. So you definitely want an upholstery tool. The next other thing you'll need is a sprayer to spray down your solutions, and that's a multi-sprayer. Kind of expensive. It's like $600, but it lasts a very long time. You keep it clean and you maintain it, it lasts a very long time. Or you can just have your, let's see here, pump-up sprayer, right back here. You can start off with pump-up sprayers to put down your solutions. Okay. If you got an extractor and you want to have a power sprayer, that's called a Hydroforce right there. It's made by Hydroforce. It's a power sprayer. You hook it up to your pressure line and it sprays the solution for you. I mean, when you squeeze the trigger, it automatically, no pumping up. And if you're using a truck mount, that's something I would think I would start off with. Also, I would start off with, guys, some type of bag or tray like this, or trays like that. Got a hose in it. You can tell I'm not even using those anymore. To put some of your spotters and cleaning agents in. It helps you to be very organized. Let's see here. As we move along the shop, what else you have? Okay, on the truck, up here you can see I have some of my air movers stacked up there. Some that I use in the shop in the back, you've probably seen that. Those two there I use in the shop. But on the truck, if you were starting today, you want to have, you can see I have a selection of air movers, but you want to start with these small ones here. Okay, these are made right here. See, I'll give you the specs on this. You'll want to start with these type of air movers. Very small and light. Very small and light. You can carry 2 at a time very easily, and help you to dry the carpet well. All right. Or you can get, let's see what else you may need. And I think that's about it as far as equipment. Now we can talk about cleaning agents. Please don't take this video as being the most professional, but I've gotten a request and I just want to go ahead and get it done and share with you guys. You want to start off with the cleaning agent. So I have an array of cleaning agents on my truck, but this is all way too advanced for if you're just starting. But you want to have a cleaning agent that's a pH of 9 to 10, maybe even 8, anywhere from 8 to 10. That's going to be pretty safe for natural and synthetic carpets. Then you need that's a pre-spray, and I would suggest a liquid to have at least a liquid. And then the powders, I have a powder that you can use for really bad carpets, but you need to mix those with good hot water. Okay. So that you want a high pH, and so the high pH here will run anywhere, I would say from 11 to 13 would be considered high. Okay. Now you can get enzyme pre-sprays. I'm not going to get into all that, but let's just start off with the basic. Do you want some type of basic pet treatment, like an enzyme treatment? Here, one, that's a Gorilla one. That's P-Sore. These are different brands. Undoes It, Unleash. And then you probably want some type of peroxide cleaner and spotter and treatment. So you want a peroxide spotter treatment as well as a peroxide cleaner. I would definitely suggest that. Good for pets. So you know an enzyme, you want a peroxide, and also some people use some oxygen based treatments like OSR. I don't think I have an exact. Here we go. This is good for pets as well. Okay, older thing with OSR, and different manufacturers make them, and they're good for that. But we won't get into details. Obviously, I have a lot of cleaning agents for different things that I do, but you don't need all of that. Okay, so you want to pre-spray. That's, I said, from 9 to 10. That's safe for most carpets, synthetic and natural. And then you want to have your higher pH for your bad carpets. All right. Also, you want to rinse those cleaning agents out of the carpet very well. And you want to use a all fiber rinse. That happens to be ChemSpec. So you want to run that through your solution line or in your extractor, freshwater tank, to neutralize the cleaning agent that you put down. But sometimes carpets can be really bad, and sometimes you got to use a detergent. And here's my detergent line. In my detergents, I have a powder detergent, and here's some liquid detergents as well. So you want a detergent, which is an alkaline rinse. Okay, so it's going to be a much stronger rinsing agent, but it's also going to leave the carpet in a little bit of higher pH and not in the neutral state, so more alkaline state, which is not necessarily the best. But if the carpet's really bad, that's what you got to do. Okay, and also next thing you want to do, you want to have some deodorizers to freshen up the areas that you've cleaned. Okay, I'm not a heavy user of deodorizers, but you will need it as a basic cleaner. Let's see what else. And I'm just going through. And I will also suggest you get a carpet protector. Okay, and I'm going to suggest that you use a water-based carpet protector and a solvent-based. See, this is solvent-based protector. That's Dynachem. I also have Super Sealer. This is by Sager Sauce, Mark Sager. That's great for protecting furniture and carpets and tile and grout. So the solvents are the way to go, and it's a good way to add upon your profit. So you want to have some type of protector, but they have water-based and solvent-based. Solvent-based are the higher end and the best, but you can get some good water-based as well. Got a sealer sitting on my shelf there that I need to put in there. Other than that, I'm looking around my shop. If someone came in and started with that, you can actually get something done in the shop. I mean, started with what I just showed you guys in my shop, you can actually get something done. So I showed you a groomer, wand, and type of equipment that you may need. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, and then I can elaborate on anything that you might have a question about. Other than that, guys, you can start with that. It's very basic. Besides some accessories, but very basic. You can start with that, and and get her done. If you have any questions, just hit me up. Thanks for viewing.